Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexpeacearmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexpeacearmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, let's update our current view on the euro currency. Well, on the daily time frame yesterday we have seen this not quite expected by us, the recovery to the upside, but we should not overestimate this price action, because first of all you can see that the harmonic retracement that holds on the market within the 1, 2, 3, 4 previous swings still holds. So market has shown the bounce, but this bounce stands in the range of this harmonic swing. The second moment is that this price action still stands inside of the range of this Friday's action. So that's some sort of the coil. I can't exclude that this was just the position closing before the non-farm payrolls release that should happen today. And I do not think that, personally, I do not want to think that this is already the start of the retracement to the upside on the daily time frame, because the major objects that we have specified is the touching of this 1618 extension of that ABCD pattern, and yearly pivot point have not been tested yet by the market. Personally, I feel uncomfortable when I see this, and I do not want much to take the long position right now, even by taking a look at this nice upward candle that has happened yesterday. So as I said, probably this could be the position closing, short close position, since this rally was significant. ADP report was really positive, and some participants could take the profit before the non-farm payrolls release, because this is additional risk that not anybody would like to take. From that perspective, on the daily time frame, I do not think that some drastic changes have come. So it's probably it's a bit early to speak about it. And personally, I think that maybe it makes sense to wait the time after the report and take a look at the market within the weekend and make the decision on Monday. Because if this will be really rally to the upside, then probably this will be retracement indeed. But as ADP report suggests, this could be the positive surprise. So by this surprise, market could show some, for instance, move to the downside, touching these targets, and only after that turn to some retracement. I think that it's not quite reasonable risk to trying to take the long position right before the non-farm payrolls, and right now, at least this is my point of view. On the 4-hour time frame, we see that our 3-drive pattern that we hope to see has failed because this market has shown the swing to the upside that is greater than the previous swing to the downside, usually typical for the reversal action. Also, we have this nice divergence. The market hasn't quite reached the target that we have specified, so that is not already. This is not the 3-drive pattern. Probably market will not accomplish it already. Well, maybe this could be some sort of the head and shoulders of market will really show some deep move to the downside, right to the 129, 129.50 area, maybe lower. Maybe this will be some another reversal pattern, who knows. But currently we see that market has thrusting to the upside, tested the weekly pivot point, and stand below it. Significant moment, as I said, that market has shown this swing that is greater than the previous swing down. That's rather typical for reversal moments. But as I said, that could be the technical swing up. That could be just closing the position, the traders who held the short positions for the long term in the daily time frame. And that's why I do not feel quite comfortable with this splash to the upside. I think that we need some more confirmation from the market. That's really the starting of the upward move. On the hourly time frame, what we see, Also, market by this swing up stands at 1618 extension of that ABCD pattern. So you can see that yesterday's double ripple pattern has failed. So although market has made an attempt to continue move lower, it hasn't quite reached even the 50% support. Then we see that market accelerates further to the upside and has hit the 1618 extension from that pattern A, B, C bottom right at the weekly pivot point and at the top of the Friday's trading session. Now it shows the downward retracement. Well, so this is a bit a personal choice that could be made by everyone, because I just have shared with you with my position concerning of this upward action that taking place yesterday. Well, so personally I do not trust with this upward starting move much. I think that it's not done yet with the downward move, although it looks really impressive, the current action, but a couple of things still worry me about the numbers of the non-farm payrolls release, and personally I do not like very much to hold position before significant data release. The second is I still worry about the untouched daily targets that stand slightly lower than the current low on the daily time frame. So from that perspective, I better to wait the time after non-farm payrolls release, and we'll see what will happen. So maybe guys you will see something else. Don't hesitate to share with you with your thoughts on our forum. Maybe this is really the upward reverse line, but personally I think that it's better to still to wait a bit and take a look on the market within the weekend.